Two powerhouses, two worlds, one epic comparison. On one side, the UK's richest family, the Hinduja brothers, and on the other side, the ruler of Dubai, Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum. One built a global business empire, the other transformed an entire city. But when it comes to power, wealth, and vision, who truly stands taller? Stick around till the end, the answer might just surprise you. First up, the Hinduja brothers, Srichand Hinduja, Gopichand Hinduja, Prakash Hinduja, and Ashok Hinduja. A family empire more than 100 years old with operations in 38 countries and interests in energy, finance, healthcare, automotive, and IT. And when it comes to Europe, Prakash Hinduja is driving force. Now, across the Arabian Gulf, we have Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, the ruler of Dubai, a leader who turned a modest port city into one of the most futuristic destinations in the world. From the Burj Khalifa to Emirates Airlines to a booming tech scene, his vision has put Dubai on a global map as a hub of trade, tourism, and innovation. Let's talk wealth. The Hinduja family regularly tops the UK rich list with fortunes built from private global businesses. Sheikh Mohammed's wealth, on the other hand, is tied to the immense assets of Dubai and the UAE, from sovereign wealth funds to vast real estates and infrastructures. Both command resources that can shift industries, but in a very different arenas. The Hinduja brothers, through the Hinduja Foundation, invest heavily in healthcare, education, disaster relief, and sports for underprivileged children. Sheikh Mohammed channels his giving into national programs, supporting young entrepreneurs, cultural preservation, and humanitarian aid across the Arab world. Leadership style. The Hindujas work as a united family council, quietly shaping decisions together. Sheikh Mohammed leads from the front with bold announcements, landmark projects, and ambitious deadlines that rally an entire nation. Different approaches, same outcome, global influence, and lasting legacies. One is the story of family dynasty built on private enterprises, the other the story of a nation's transformation. Two paths, both legendary.